Hello everyone, my name is Weltha. Today I'm gonna make some green beans with smoked turkey and potatoes, and we will be making fried ribs. Yes, fried ribs. So stay tuned. And today this will be my very first YouTube video. Okay, here's my pot with my smoked turkey that's been cooking for like about an hour. So we grab the onions, we put the onion in there, and then I get my bell peppers, toss them in there, I stir that up a little bit. Stir it up, let it cook. Let's turn it up a little bit more too. And hold on just a minute. Okay, so now we have the onions, the smoked turkey, and the red bell pepper all mixed. And so now we're gonna grab the potato wedges that I chopped up, throw them in there. Just toss them in there. Toss them in there. Stir it up a little. Stir it up. Okay, and then the spices that I like to use, I like to put a little cayenne pepper in there, just a little. Sprinkle a little cayenne in there, not too much. And then I like to use my garlic salt. It's garlic salt that I put in there. Sprinkle some garlic salt in there. And then you're gonna get some black pepper. Put the black pepper in there. Not too much, because sometimes I get heavy-handed with my black pepper. So stir all that up. Just stir it all together and let it cook while we get some other things together. Okay, so we're just gonna let that cook. We're gonna put a top over it and just let it simmer right there. Okay. Okay. So now it's time to add the green beans. So I use frozen green beans, so you guys can use whatever green bean you want to use, but I like to use the frozen ones. So we just pour those in there. This meal is pretty easy and quick to make. So you just put all the green beans in there. Add your green bean. I like to cook enough food so that I can take my lunch to work, so that's why I always cook a lot. Okay, so we're just gonna stir all this together, and then you're gonna just let it cook together. Stir it all up, just like that. Just stir it all together. And then you're gonna put the top back over it and let it cook. Okay, now we're gonna check on the green beans. Pull it off. And I did want to put some chopped green onions in there also. And I'll stir that up. Just let it cook. Just let it cook. I think I want to put just a little bit more of cayenne pepper in there, just a little. Okay, back to the green beans. So as you can see, this is ready, and I forgot to let you guys know that I put garlic in this also. So this green beans and potato with smoked turkey is actually done. So it took about, let's say about 40 minutes to cook. And we'll just put the top on that. It's ready. And turn the stove off on that side. So to make the cornbread, I got 3 of these Jiffy Lubes. I got 2 eggs and a cup of milk. And then I also put a cup of cornmeal in this mixture. And you stir it all together. Ooh! Look at that! Look how nice it looks. Nice and golden. Look at that cornbread. Oh my God, it looks so good. That is the cornbread. Okay, so as you can see, I already seasoned my pork ribs, and what I season them with is some Lawson's garlic salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and yeah, that's what I season it with. And you just bring it over here in my flour mix that I made. And the flour mix, I put some garlic salt and just a little pepper in there also. So you just batter it up. Shake it off, and you put it over here in the skillet. That's one. Okay, here we go. Let's check. So we will try to grab this one first. Flip it over. Oh, look at that! So nice and golden. That's the way you want it to look. Nice and golden. You see that? Okay, be careful though. Flip it over. It's nice and golden. Flip the other one over. That! I love it. Okay, let's let that side get nice and golden and beautiful like that one. As you can see, they are ready to take out. They're nice and golden on both sides, which took about 8 to 10 minutes on each side. So now we just take them out, put them in the pan. Over there. Put this now. I like this side, it's much prettier. Okay, put that there. So now, as you can see, we have all the fried ribs cooked. Okay. So, the ribs are ready, so I'm gonna get some garnish to put on it, which is just some celery that I just like to throw in there for, just to make it look nice. Just throw those in there, like that. And voila! You have fried ribs. There we go. We have fried ribs, people. Nice crispy fried pork ribs. So we are all done. I hope you enjoyed the meal today, and I enjoyed making it. So this is the plate. Hope you guys like it. So that was the meal, you guys. I hope you enjoyed making a meal with me. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching, you guys.